How to update the day's docs in TruckX Driver's Logbook app on wired ELD. Find and tap on the TruckX Driver's Logbook app on the homepage of the wired ELD tablet. On the app's homepage, access the current day's logs by tapping on it. Click on Docs to update the required documents. Tap on the edit icon to make necessary changes to the document details. Update vehicle information, including truck number and trailer number, if required. Scroll down to update the trip details, such as start location, destination location, delivery date, shipping documents and comments. Utilize the plus icon next to start location and destination location to add multiple pickup and drop-off locations. Select the co-driver name, if applicable. Note that certain details are either added by the admin, unchangeable, like cycle info and addresses, or are automatically captured by the app, miles driven or odometer reading. Once all the required details are added, click on Save. The updated details will now be visible on the page.